girls, I'm so excited to be with you today. We're gonna be doing a craft together. That's one of my favorite activities to pass the time away. And as you all know, or you might not know, let me tell you, I have a wee bit of experience with bears. I don't know how many of you have met many bears in real life, face to face, but let me tell you, it's exciting. And the one thing that I took away from meeting my mum as a bear, my brothers as a bear, and then Mordu himself, is that bears can be scary or they can be rather cute. So we're gonna be turning you into a bear today. We're gonna be doing a craft to give you a bear face mask. When it's all said and done, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna be able to just become a bear whenever you want. But then when you're done, you can go back to being a human with no trouble. All right, let's get started. There are a few supplies you're gonna need for our craft today, so I'm gonna let you know what those are now. You're gonna need a white paper plate. You're gonna need a pair of scissors. You'll need a popsicle stick. You could also use a stick from outside. You'll need some glue or some tape. And you'll need some markers or brown paint. Lastly, you'll need a sheet of construction paper. I've chosen black, but you can use whatever color you like. All right, to begin, you're gonna need to color the border of your paper plate. You're gonna want to do the side that goes outward or the bottom of the plate. You're gonna color just around, right here where it has ridges. Alright, so I've finished coloring my border. Today I just used a simple brown, but you could use black. You could use a combination of black and brown because that's very realistic. Or you could use no colors and make a polar bear. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to our next step. To do that, we're gonna fold our plate in half, like so. Alright, you're gonna lightly go ahead and crease here in the middle, but you don't want to crease here or here where we've just colored. Just enough to get it folded. And we're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut here around, taking all the white off. Round and round and round we go. And where it stops, nobody knows. Actually, it stops right there. We're done. Alright, moving right along. We've got our construction paper here, and we're gonna fold it in half like so. At the bottom, I've gone ahead and drawn myself a wee little ear. Alright, we're gonna take our scissors, and we're just gonna follow our colouring line. The reason that we folded it is so that when we're finished cutting, automatically we have two. Alright, and next we're gonna go ahead and use our glue, paste or tape, and we're gonna put a wee line across the bottom of our ear. Then we're gonna put that on the white portion of the back, like so. You're gonna want to use just a little bit of glue so that it's not too wet and it'll dry proper. Alright friends, we've made it to our final step. I've taken a bit of tape across my popsicle stick, and now I'm going to pick up my mask and just stick it right there on the back in the middle. That way, when I decide it's time to become a bear, I have one hand free. Alright, you're ready. You can go be bears. Go! Alright friends, thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Rawr!